Okay, so me and Kaylin are gonna attempt to make an explosion with Mentos and Pepsi.
Yeah.
Okay, hold this. Give me this. You're gonna have to tape both of us back up and tape both. Mommy, you missed it.
You wasted a whole bottle of soda.
That's what you're supposed to do. There you go. And it. Press that button.